So, what are collinear points? Hmm? Let's say any 2 points on a plane are given, A1, A2. Are they collinear? So, the answer is obvious that any points are always collinear. Like this, it means a unique line passes through it. So, the question of collinearity arises for how many points? So, yes, it is 3 or more points, which means if 3 or more points are given, there are two possibilities. One is that they are non-collinear, like this, like these are 4 points in a plane. They are non-collinear in the sense that no 3 points are in a line. Okay, so the another possibility is they are collinear, means A1, A2, A3 and so on points are given. They all passes through the same line. So they are in line, they are collinear. They lie on a unique line, like this. So if n points are collinear, number of lines through them is how many? So yes, it is one line. Now let's take an example. If 3 points are non-collinear, how many distinct lines pass through them? Let's take the 3 points as A1, A2, A3, the non-collinear points. So if distinct pair of points A1, A2 is taken, corresponding to it, we have one line passing through it. A2, A3, another line. A3, A1, another line. So there are 3 lines. So each distinct pair corresponds to a line. So number of distinct pair of points from the set A1, A2, A3 is equal to what? Number of distinct straight lines. Which is equal to what? Selections made from A1, A2, A3, 2 at a time, which is 3C2, which gives us 3. So 3 is number of lines. So if instead of 3, if n points are given which are non-collinear, no 3 are in line, what we will do? What should be our answer? So if n non-collinear in which no 3 are collinear, then how many distinct lines pass through them? So from the previous example it was 3C2, now it is n, so can we generalize it nC2? So let's see. So let A1, A2, An are distinct n non-collinear in which no 3 are collinear. So using the same reasoning, number of pair of points from the set of A1, A2, A3 up to n non-collinear points is equal to number of distinct lines. So number of pair of points from that we can select from n distinct points on a plane are how many? So the answer is yes, we can generalize. So in last case it was 3C2, and in this case it is NC2, which is number of distinct lines, NC2. Let's take an example. Number of distinct lines obtained from vertices of a regular pentagon. So what's the answer? How will do? So how many vertices are there in pentagon? 5 vertices, which are non-collinear. Like this, non-collinear means no 3 are in line. Okay, so the answer is quite obviously 5C2, which we can write 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial, which is 10. So answer is 10. Now the next example, number of distinct lines obtained from 11 given points on a plane in which 4 points are collinear. How do we approach this? What's the concept used here?